Hi, in this video I'm going to walk you through Smart Chips, a powerful feature in Google Docs that enhances collaboration and efficiency. Smart Chips let you assign tasks, insert dates, link files, schedule meetings, and add locations all within your document. Let's see how they work using a real-world example of a project document. Here's a great example of Smart Chips in action. This table organizes project tasks and assignments. At first glance, you may think these are just simple names and numbers. But when you hover over them, you will see extra details such as profile information for tagged people, quick access to calendar schedules for dates, or file previews for linked documents. This makes the document much more interactive and useful. For the person writing this document, Smart Chips make it easier to search and find people, ensuring that the exact individual is tagged without extra effort. It also simplifies searching for and inserting files, events, and places, allowing you to quickly embed relevant information without switching between apps. With Smart Chips, everything you need stays in one place. No more switching between apps. Now let's add a new task to this list. We will create a row for user testing report. First, we assign this task to a team member. Just type @ and a list of people appears. You can filter even more by typing few more letters of the name. Then select the name. You have successfully added a people chip. Next, we set a deadline by typing @ and then select date. We will choose March 30, 2025. This is a date chip. It makes it easy to track due dates. Finally, let's attach the related document. Typing @ and a bit of the name of the document, and you can see the list of documents. Select the one that you want to add. This adds a file chip which can be previewed right here, and it also has a clickable link which opens the document. Another powerful feature of Smart Chips is Dropdown chips. These are useful for tracking project stages, approval statuses, or any workflow-based task. Let's see how we can apply them in our project. To add a dropdown, simply type @ and select Dropdown. It will show you two preset options, project statuses and review statuses, and each of them will have options like not started, in progress, and completed. You can choose any of these statuses, and that's it. You have successfully added a drop-down Smart Chip. Now, any person from the team can update the status of each task dynamically. This makes it easy for the teams to know what stage a task is in without extra communication. Meetings are a key part of project management, and event chips are very helpful to display the meeting information in the document. Here we have already linked a kickoff meeting scheduled for March 18th. Clicking on this chip takes us straight to the Google Calendar invite. Now let me show you how to add a new event chip in Google Docs. To add a new event chip, just type @ and start typing the name of the event. Then select the event that you want to add. And that's it. You have added the event chip with all the details related to the event. For location-based tasks, Place Chips lets you embed venue details. Here we have added a UX research visit tagged as @TechHub. By changing it to a place chip, let us make it easy to find the location on Google Maps. To add a place, just type @ and start typing the name of the location. From the list, you can select the exact location that you want to add. This is great for in-person meetings, research visits, or any event that requires a physical location. So these are the list of Smart Chips that you can access from your Google Doc and make your documents much more interactive. If you're using a Google Workspace account, you also have access to even more Smart Chips that enhances workflow. Smart Chips turn Google Docs into a powerful workspace. Try them out in your next project and see how much time you will save. Like and subscribe for more productivity tips.